Hello everyone, my friend Vinnie asked for a suggestion for a rub for chicken legs. Easy peasy. I've been using this lately. It's fantastic. It's really good. It's from Goya. It's an all-purpose seasoning. This is perfect. You can add some smoked paprika or some sazon to it and done. You don't have to do much more. You can also use any kind of adobo. It's a Puerto Rican seasoning you can find in any grocery, Latin, or any grocery store really. But if you don't have that, you can make your own. So I would say salt and pepper to taste. You want to use 1 part of oregano. 1 part, I prefer garlic paste, but if you don't have garlic paste, garlic powder will do the trick. 1/2 part of cumin, 1/2 part of coriander, and 1/2 part of smoked paprika. If you don't have smoked paprika and you have sazon, use that. Achiote, anything, because what it does, it gives a little bit of color to the chicken and it also gives it some flavor. Salt and pepper to your taste. Put everything in a Ziploc bag, olive oil, some vinegar. Shake it really well. If you can let it sit for, some people say overnight. If you don't have time, you just came from work and you're doing it, you season it and then you cook it. Perfect. You will love it. Enjoy.